wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best mobile shelves. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, if you need something super affordable, the Mind Reader All-Purpose may be worth considering. It's a decent choice for storing small and light items, such as office supplies and papers, but its capacity might be insufficient for many applications. No tools are required for assembly and the wheels roll smoothly. However, it's not very sturdy. At number 9, the Homeman Laundry Organizer is a niche option designed to fit between appliances and furniture, or maximize the capacity of a closet or pantry. Though it is easy to slide out from these spaces, the wheels can't pivot, so its range of motion is limited. It's also available with 4 or 5 tiers, but the wheels are very small and it's not as durable as some models. Coming in at number 8 on our list, if you have a lot of items and need a large model, the Meet Perfect Heavy Duty Rack might be the best selection. It's almost 7 feet tall, and each of its 6 shelves are 48 by 18 inches. It moves smoothly even when loaded. However, note that its capacity is reduced if the wheels are attached, and it's not as well built as some. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mobile shelves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, those who would like a slightly less industrial look might appreciate the Atlantic System 3-tier. Its laminated MDF shelves help it fit in better with the type of furniture found in living and dining rooms, and its steel frame is very durable. The baskets and panels can be rearranged, and it's available in several finishes, but it is only 12 inches wide. Moving up our list to number 6. The Seville Classics Ultra Durable is a bit narrower than most similar wire models, which makes it a good fit for closets or compact rooms. However, its height of 72 inches still allows for a lot of storage, so it's ideal for utilizing all the space in a small area. It's got a high weight capacity and 2 locking casters. However, the tall design does increase the risk of tipping. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Parrington AV stand may be the perfect option if you're looking for something to place a printer or other technology on. In addition to its high-quality casters, it's got several thoughtful features, such as raised lips that keep items from rolling off. It includes a built-in power strip and can hold up to 330 pounds. The shelf heights are adjustable. At number 4, the Origami Heavy Duty Organizer not only rolls on wheels, but can be easily collapsed for transportation or storage when not in use. The folding process is very easy, but when expanded, its metal frame provides a lot of strength. It can hold 250 pounds per level and comes in several colors. A 4-tier version is also available. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're looking to create a storage system for items like tools, utensils, or art supplies, the Seville Classics Rack might save you some time. It comes bundled with 16 slide-out bins, which vary in size and are spread across 7 levels. It includes label inserts and dividers for further organization. It's NSF certified for professional use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mobile shelves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Caxa cart is a compact option with a lightweight metal construction. It's not large or strong enough for heavy-duty applications, but it's a good choice if you're looking to add some extra storage space to a kitchen or bathroom. High sides keep items contained, and a mesh bottom prevents liquid buildup. It's easy to assemble. And taking the top spot on our list, the Amazon Basics Wire Rack is the most straightforward example of a movable shelf and is an excellent choice for a wide array of applications. It's available in several sizes and comes in either a black or chrome finish. It's inexpensive for the quality and a very sturdy construction. It's equipped with reliable rubber caster. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mobile shelves, or simply click beneath this video.